Hello everyone, I am Pratibha Rathore, final year student of Civil Engineering Department in Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. I am going to give a presentation on zero energy building. Now these are the points which we will introduce in this presentation. Introduction, what is zero energy building, why zero energy building, how to adopt zero energy buildings, advantages and disadvantages, and the last one is zero energy buildings in India. Introduction. Buildings have a significant impact on energy use and the environment. Commercial and residential buildings use almost 40% of the primary energy and approximately 70% of the electricity in India. Zero energy building is not a single product or technology, but rather combination of closely integrated evolving technologies. What is zero energy building? A zero energy building with zero net energy consumption. It generates more energy than it consumes. It is also known as zero net energy building, net zero energy building, net zero building. Buildings contribute less overall greenhouse gases to the atmosphere than a more similar non-zero energy building. Reduce carbon emission and dependence on fossil fuels, which is zero net energy consumption principle. And this one is the graph which shows the zero energy building concept very easily, in which we see that renewable energy sources are sufficient to meet building energy demand. Why zero energy building? To overcome energy crisis, reduce energy consumption, reduce greenhouse gases, carbon emission, and global warming, reduce dependence on fossil fuels, protect our environment for future generations. How to adopt energy? First one is site selection and orientation. Second one is reduce heating, cooling, and lighting loads through climate responsive and conservation practices. And the last one is enjoy renewable or high energy sources. First one, site selection and orientation. Orientation, layout, and location on site will all influence the amount of sun a building receives and therefore its year-round temperature and comfort. Be flat or north sloping. Be free of obstructions to the north. Be able to accommodate to a building with a relatively large north-facing walls for maximum solar gain. Now we will discuss about the design using zero energy building. First one is passive solar design. In passive solar building design, windows, walls, and floors are made to collect, store, and distribute solar energy in the form of heat in the winter and reject solar heat in summer. This is passive solar design because unlike active solar heating system, it does not involve the use of mechanical and electrical device. Use of thermal mass and phase change material showing indoor air temperature, swing solar cooker, chimney or enhancing natural ventilation and earth sheltering. This one is a diagram which showed the passive solar design in which we see that we use south facing windows from which sunlight come in the building and easily get lighting in summer and as well as in winter season. Second one is building envelope design. Use high performance building envelope, select walls, roof and other assemblies based on long-term insulation, air barrier performance and durability requirements, damp proofing, waterproofing membrane, insulation material, border stops, drainage pipe. In this design, these are used in this design. And this is the diagram which shows that these are the apparatus used in this design, like wind turbines, solar collectors, energy optimized windows, photovoltaic panels, floor heating system, efficient insulation, geothermal heat pumps, rainwater collection, heat recovery ventilation, optimized building orientation. These are used in building envelope. Employing renewable energy sources. Renewable energy is energy which is generated from natural sources, that is sun, wind, rain, tides, and can be generated again and again when required. Use of renewable energy can increase energy security and reduce dependence on imported fuels while reducing or eliminating greenhouse gas emission and associated with energy use. These are the top 7 renewable energy sources. First one is solar energy, where the main source of energy is sun. Second, wind energy. Third, hydrogen energy. Fourth, ocean energy. Fifth, hydro power. Sixth, geothermal power. Seventh, bioenergy. Sun is a renewable source of energy. Zero energy homes should be designed to use the sun energy as much as possible for such things as generating electricity, heating water, and utilizing passive space heating. Solar panels are placed on the rooftop or windows of the building or anywhere when maximum solar energy is received throughout the year. The energy generated can be used for cooking, heating, generating electricity. Wind as a renewable source of energy. In some extreme areas where wind energy is abundant and high, small windmills can also be used to generate electricity for running small equipment. This diagram can easily define you that how the wind energy is used as a source of energy. Net zero energy building connected to grid. Building connected to power grid can be termed as net zero if their energy consumption is equal to their energy production over a year. In this, as shown in figure in diagram, first of all, we will design a photovoltaic field and now connect it with electric grid. After that, it supplies the electricity to our buildings. Now the advantages of net zero energy residential buildings. Isolation for building owner from future energy price increases, increased comfort due to more uniform interior temperatures, reduced requirement for energy, reduced total cost of ownership due to improved energy efficiency, reduced total net monthly cost of living, minimized extra cost. And disadvantages are initial cost can be higher, lack of skill or experience to build zero energy buildings. Zero energy buildings may not reduce the required plant capacity. Solar energy capture using the house envelope only work in location unobstructed from the sun without an optimized thermal envelope. The embodied energy, heating and cooling energy and resources usage is higher than needed. Now these are the three buildings which are constructed on the net zero energy building concept. First one is the Indira Praivaran Bhavan in New Delhi. Second one is Sun Carrier Omega Bhopal in Bhopal. And the last one is Akshay Urja Bhavan in Panchkula. First one is Indira Praivaran Bhavan in New Delhi, constructed with adoption of solar passive design and energy efficient building material installed, capacity of 930 kilowatt peak power. The building has the largest rooftop solar system among multi-storied building in India. More than 50% area outside of building is a soft area with plantation and grass. The building has a robotic parking system in the basement that can accommodate 330 cars. Second one, Sun Carrier Omega in Bhopal. Sun Carrier Omega is the first company to bring to India this sun tracking intelligent solar PV system. We generate about 40% more energy than fixed system. Sun Carrier Omega has commissioned India's first commercial net zero energy building. Third one, Akshay Urja Bhavan Panchkula. The Department of Renewable Energy, Hareda, has constructed its office building Akshay Urja Bhavan on institutional plot measuring 1 acre at Sector 17 Panchkula. This building is being constructed based on solar passive design techniques, having building integrated photovoltaic a system of 42.50 kilowatt capacity, solar chimney, evaporating cooling, cavity wall, use of fly ash waste, break water, recycling, and energy efficient lighting, etc. Now, what is the motto of net zero energy residential building? This diagram will easily define you that what is it and why we use net zero energy residential building. In this diagram, we saw that the process of recycling of material using of renewable sources and less harassment of non-renewable sources present in our earth. Thank you.